Hey gut feeler, long time requested video from you gut feelers. Let's talk about dyspepsia and what causes indigestion and postprandial distress syndrome or PDS. This video is right for you if you've recently been diagnosed from your gastroenterologist with PDS or functional dyspepsia and you're dealing with one of the following symptoms that are typical for indigestion: stomach pain, over-fullness after eating just a small meal, bloating, having trouble swallowing, you feel acid coming up, acid reflux, heartburn, and also frequent burping. In this video, I'm going to share with you the two causes for functional dyspepsia so you can start actually healing yourself from indigestion and you become more independent from your gastroenterologist who just give you more medication and you don't get any answers. Sounds like a good plan? Then hit that like button down there so I know this kind of video interests you and I can produce more. To understand the first cause of dyspepsia or indigestion, I want you to imagine the following. When was the last time you were in a really stressful situation? Maybe you had a fight or a misunderstanding with someone, or even something tragic happened like a car accident, or you just had trouble at work or at home with your family. You got one? Now, guess what happens in your body when you're stressed? This is really important for you to understand, so stick with me. When you feel in any kind of danger or you feel in shock, your body releases adrenaline from your adrenals. It flushes out into your system and your body goes into what you probably have heard of, the fight and flight mode. This is when the sympathicus, the active part of your nervous system, is active. All the blood flows into your extremities, and now guess what happens to your digestion? Think about it. If your body prepares you for fight and flight, for running, how much energy will go down to your digestion to produce enzymes and liver to produce bile so you can digest better, stomach acid getting ready for digesting protein? Nothing. Your body 100% shuts down your digestion and prioritizes getting you safe. The only time when your body is ready for digestion, this is so important for indigestion, is when you are in a relaxed state, when the parasympathicus is active. If you've got indigestion, you've got dyspepsia, you've got PDS, this is the most common and most overlooked cause of dyspepsia. What is it? Stress. And that stress can be on an emotional level, on a mental level, on a physical level. If you're in a chronic state of stress and you eat, you have a guarantee for indigestion. Second cause, what could this be? If you have any guesses already, put them down below in the comments. Chronic EEE. This chronic EEE happens when your body is agitated. It's overwhelmed. There's so much stuff going on that it can't focus on digestion. And the triggers for that are, this is what your gastroenterologists don't want you to know. One of the big causes is medication. Medication, toxins, bacteria, pathogenic bacteria, talking about H. pylori, Escherichia coli, streptococcus, viruses. And what all of those do, they create chronic inflammation. Once your body is in this agitated state, just like we are sometimes, right? If it's just too much stress, too much people wanting stuff from us, we just react to everything, right? It doesn't matter how many healthy foods you eat, you just feel bloated, you got the stomach pain, swallowing problems, everything at once. The most important thing if you want to heal functional dyspepsia, you want to heal PDS, want to heal indigestion, is to take care of those two: stress and inflammation. How to do that is making it really easy for your stomach and really easy for your body to find that balance back, right? And for that, I developed a 1-week healing guide that gives you everything. It gives you meals that are very easy on your stomach, that actually nurture your stomach and kill some of the root causes for chronic inflammation. You also get a complete healing protocol that you can print out, when to take which juice, when to take which supplements, so you don't have to think, you have a clear guidance, and to help you overcome functional dyspepsia, get independent from gastroenterologists, and really start to connect back to your body. And you can enjoy eating your favorite foods again without bloating, without stomach pain, without indigestion.